What's the meaning of bird dog? Bird dog. Bird dog.
Bird dog. Bird dog. Bird dog is a term that refers to a hunting dog, specifically a breed that has been trained to locate and retrieve birds. These dogs are often highly skilled and trained to work with their owners to track down birds in various terrains, such as fields and forests. The term can also refer to a person who is exceptionally skilled at tracking down information or leads, similar to how a bird dog tracks down birds. This can be seen in professions such as sales, journalism, and law enforcement. Ultimately, the term bird dog embodies the qualities of determination, focus, and accuracy in achieving a specific set of goals.